Hey guys, what is going on? So today we finally have the iPhone 11 Pro Max in hand. Super excited for this. As you guys know, I've been making so many videos about this phone and I'm so excited to finally have it in hand. I mean, let's get it. Let's do on the unboxing. Okay, I got a nice knife here. Nice X-Acto knife. We're just gonna bang. X-Acto knives cut things so easily. It's insane. Okay. We got that, and then it opens like that. Just like the original, all the Apple boxes pretty much open like this. I don't know why they just fall apart. Like, look, it's not even a box anymore. It's just like a piece of cardboard. Like that. All right, guys, so here it is. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max green. I wouldn't really usually get a green phone, but I just wanted to try it out because I've never had a green phone. Apple's never released anything like this kind of color before, so I just kind of wanted to give it a shot. I bet that's what most people wanted to do, just give it a shot and get the kind of I don't know if this is the most hyped color, but 64 gigabyte. I don't really use that much storage because I use iCloud and stuff like that, but here we go, guys. I've done so many unboxings on this channel, but it smells like Elmer's glue, dude. That matte though. Oh, there's not even a piece of plastic on the back. What the heck? So this opens straight up through the back because that's obviously like the main focus of attention. And that's it. It doesn't go all the way around the phone. It's just one plastic piece like that. That's it. And then we got the normal, you know what I'm saying, like the hello, what's good, what's happening, how to use the iPhone, and I did get a SIM injection tool, and obviously the instructions how to use an iPhone. If, like I said in my last, I said this in my last year when I was unboxing the iPhone. If you don't know how to use an iPhone by now, like, what are you doing? This is a new thing that comes with the iPhone 11 Pro only. It comes with the fast charger, which is super nice. They should have added this a long freaking time ago because they should have added this a long time ago when the iPhone 10 came out. They definitely should have added the fast charger capability. Well, they had the capability. They just they didn't add a fast charger. How much more expensive could that have been, Apple? You really had to put Pro in the name to add a fast charger in the box. Finally, like, come on. So yeah, guys, obviously this is going to charge your iPhone a lot faster than a normal 5-watt little puny brick will charge your phone. Obviously this has I'm pretty sure 4 or 5 plus hours more than the iPhone XS Max. So that's a huge difference with screen on time, especially with me because I use my phone all the time during work. That's what I use. My main tool is my phone, so I need it to be running. I need the battery to be as best as possibly can. So I'm glad that they had the fast charger and a better battery life in this phone. And then we did get the normal earpods. I have like 30 pairs of these. The Lightning to USB-C this time, which I'm super hyped about. I cannot wait until they do USB to USB like the iPad Pro, because that's literally how it should be right now. I don't know why they're sticking with the Lightning. I'm totally fine. Apple, totally fine with you. USB-C, just put a USB-C on the phone. That's what we want. That's what I want, at least. Drop a like if that's what you want. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all that's in the box right now. This thing looks way better in person than in pictures that I've seen. The matte feel on it is I love the matte feel on it. The only thing about it is that it feels a lot more slippery. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. It feels a lot slipperier than the iPhone XS Max. Or the iPhone XS, the back glass. So yeah, just keep that in mind that it's actually pretty slippery. I didn't think it was gonna be this slippery, the matte. I knew matte means it's gonna be slippery, but this, I can already tell it's gonna slip out of my hands a couple times. I love the texture and everything like that. The back is amazing, it's beautiful. It looks a lot better than the rumors that we're looking at earlier in the year. I was like, if they're really gonna do this, dude, the iPhone's gonna look so ugly, but it actually looks really, really good. This triple camera setup, the wide angle, we finally get a wide angle lens, dude. I've been looking forward to this forever. This is really, really helpful, especially if you want to start a new YouTube channel. This will look even better. I think wide angle looks super, super good, especially if you want to do vlogging. This will look amazing if you want to do vlogging. And this is pretty much, you only need this right now. Literally to create videos, to do anything, you literally just need a phone. I need to put my SIM in it. I'm gonna grab my SIM. I'm gonna activate it right now. I was looking for a SIM ejection tool, but I forgot mine literally comes with one, so that's an L on my part. So we're just gonna grab this. We're gonna take it out of this. My cracked iPhone XS Max. I cannot wait to not have a cracked phone anymore. And it does not have a SIM card on it. Obviously, it's not gonna have a SIM card in it. We're gonna put that in there. This in here. And we're all set to go. But hey guys, I just wanted to unbox this. I do this every single year. I just wanted to unbox it for you guys. Let me know if you guys got the brand new iPhone 11. It's amazing, dude. I cannot wait to try out the new cameras. I love the new texture on the back. Even though it's going to be a little bit slippery, I have to admit, I think it looks absolutely amazing. And I love how they just made it more minimal by just having the Apple logo in the center and not on the top. And they just got rid of the iPhone text as well on the bottom. So I think this is a lot cleaner of a look, in my opinion. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let me know what you guys got down in the comments below. iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let me know down in the comments, guys. And don't worry, we're going to make a lot more videos about this phone because I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys are too. And if you are new, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. It really helps the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next freaking video, guys. All right? Next video. Peace.